All right, next we will start setting up your snapshot, the most exciting part. So once you've unlocked your snapshot, you'll see this screen. And to get to this screen, you'll once you have your snapshot unlocked, you'll see that your location name is popped up right here. Go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to see the subdomain, this screen. So here, go ahead and enter your subdomain URL, which is the one that you added right here. So go ahead and copy and paste that here. Your agency's name, your agency website, your app login URL. So that means whatever your white label is. And if you don't know what your white label is, you can go ahead and find that right here. That is the white label domain. And the support email address. So here, what is the name of your business / organization? Just go ahead and enter your business name, enter your phone number. This could be a Twilio number, and we recommend it be a Twilio number, but if you would like to have another number on file, you can keep that as well. The snapshot sends different internal notifications. So please just write here an email and phone number where you would like to receive those internal notifications. And then here you'll add your Twilio number. So you'll go to settings at the bottom. You'll copy this number and paste it right here. Your hours of operations, if you have any. If you don't, leave it blank, and then upload your logo. So to get a URL for your logo, go ahead and upload it to media, and then just go ahead and upload your file here. Here you're going to come here, right click, press get link, and then go ahead and paste that here and here. And then you can enter any of your social media URLs here. These are not required, but you can go ahead and enter your profile, your business profile pages here. All right.